Hello friends, come join me. Let's make this lovely tasty creamy yogurt. Some people call it Kossam, but I call this yogurt. Our ingredients: we're going to be needing a kilogram of milk, already made yogurt for our culture, a wooden spoon to stir, plastic container that the lid fits so tight, just like so, lukewarm water. Now I'm going in with half of the water. When I mix and ensure it's smooth, I'm going to add in some more water, because a kilogram of milk will go with 10 liters of water. You stir so well, you don't want to have lumps in this. Guys, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. You go in with your culture and you stir. I just went in with some more water. Like I said, it's smooth and it's okay. So I'm going to cover so tight and keep it in a secure place, and this needs heat, so I'm going to be covering with my blanket, and it's going to stand here for a minimum of 10 hours. On to the other ingredients. We're going to be needing plastic papers, ropes to tie like this, our sugar. This is a flavor which is optional, and now our milk flavor, very important. Plastic containers to put some inside, though I didn't make use of this because my client later on told me she does not want that. A wooden spoon to stir, a plastic cup, now this is our yogurt after 10 hours. Look at this, so satisfying. We're going to stir it so well. At this point, guys, I've already added my sugar, my flavor, the milk flavor, and the other one I told you it's optional, and I'm stirring. And I'm going to go ahead to put in my plastic papers and tie, and here is the end result. Enjoy.